The journey of Shruti Foundation began on 28th September 2006. From education to skilling to youth to cultural training to the Vedas and Upanishads to various courses, various talks, various retreats through the world, Shruti Foundation has been committed to indigenous knowledge systems, Indian wisdom, and research in cultural education and the changing culture of education. Down the line, after many conferences, many trainings, many talks, many workshops, Shruti Foundation finally decided to concentrate its work more at the grassroots of India and found its bearings into the grassroots of Rajasthan in the great summer of 2013, where it never looked back from its cause to resurrect our great heritage at the grassroots. Our foundation decided to take this up as a challenge and revive this beautiful region of Shekhawati, where a haven of heritage, beauty, great creativity, great knowledge had been abandoned almost a century ago, particularly Ramgarh Shekhawati. In the last years, the foundation has journeyed a long way. We have been keenly involved in the restoration of the built heritage of this beautiful town and have revived various havelis, johars, kuas, and particularly the Ramgarh Shekhawati fort. With the use of the traditional lime technology, we have built shauchalayas which have empowered about 1,000 women and their families. We worked with the government for the infrastructure development for a beautiful heritage walk at Ramgarh Shekhawati. Our tree planting drives have seen the involvement of students from all the local schools. We have got Ramgarh Shekhawati declared a heritage town by the government. Since 2016, our artist residencies have brought great joy to our international artists and their interaction with our students and our local communities. We have been keenly involved in skills training of students, of the youth, with our workshops on lac bangle making, textile design, theatre, heritage awareness, and so on. To raise awareness of this beautiful region, our foundation launched the Vedaranya Heritage and Healing Festival, or VAFest, in December 2016. It is now an annual festival of Shruti Foundation in collaboration with the Government of Rajasthan and other bodies. Various celebrated artists such as Dr. Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Rajan Sajan Mishra, Shubha Mudgalji, Geeta Chandran, Dr. Shobna Narayan, the great Parvati Baul, the enthralling Lushan Dubey, the fabulous Tawfiq Qureshi, along with our great folk singers, the Manganyars and Langas, the spectacular Kalbelia dancers, and many other artists have graced our festival and enthralled the audiences. We are also developing a very large museum at Shekhawati to showcase the journey, lifestyle, their glory, and the social order of the great Shekhawati Seths and their heritage treasures. We were delighted to launch the Heritage India Cyclothon along with the Government of Rajasthan in our continued efforts to save our heritage and create local as well as global awareness. We also have attracted many tourists from India and abroad for creative tourism and wellness tourism at the grassroots.
I'm very happy to be here at Ramgarh Shekhawati for the Vaha festival. मैं पहली बार आई हूँ. For me, Shekhawati is also first time. I was very curious to come to this place. I've heard so much about this place, and it is so much more than what I'd heard. It's beautiful. To be here, the way Shruti Foundation has organized this whole event, it is so, it's lovely, it's intimate, and it's purely creative. It's कैसे कहा जाए, जो हम आर्टिस्ट लोग एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरैक्ट करने का हमें मौका मिल रहा है. बड़े बड़े फेस्टिवल्स में थोड़ी भाग दौड़ लगी रहती है, सब लोग सब चीज़ कैच करना चाहते हैं, और यहाँ पे लोगों के साथ बैठने का मौका मिल रहा है, इंटरैक्ट करने का मौका है. और इस तरह की ब्यूटीफुल ये जो हवेलीज़ हैं शेखावाटी की, रामगढ़ की, ये तो मतलब दे आर सो फैसिनेटिंग. You don't need to do anything. You can just keep admiring the ambience of this place. और श्रुति has done incredible work. जो जिस तरह से उसका जो जितना revival of this heritage का जो drive है, वो एक अलग ही level का है. I'm very fascinated with what she's doing, and I think it's just amazing work that she's putting in here. जितना emotion, energy, time वो दे रही हैं, वो it's very creditable, really incredible. I would love to come here again and again. That's all I can say. And we want to see more and more Havelis come alive, like this one, like she's done all this work in restoration. That's beautiful. It's a beautiful part of India. It needs to be preserved at all cost, and everyone should come up and help in this movement.
इस जगह में काफी कुछ सत्व है. So you have made a reverse trip. Restoring such a place is of course one thing, but also to get people, यहाँ के लोगों को उठाना, जगाना, बताना उनको कन्विंस करना कि भाई इस जगह में क्या क्या है. और तुमने बहुत ही आई थिंक डिप्लोमेटिकली ग्रेसफुली नेविगेट किया है. as well as I can see. So refreshing, and it's you come in another world. एक अलग दुनिया में आप आ जाते हो. हवा पानी तो स्वच्छ है ही, साफ आकाश है, खाने में इतना स्वाद है, लेकिन एक जो सुकून है बहुत बड़ी बात है.
We train our beautiful women, particularly our young widows and single women earners, in textile design, especially the art of weaving rugs with katran or waste material. Our work has been greatly supported by the initial rug making workshop by Intact in January 2019. And now we have a thriving skills center in one of our Havelis at Shekhawati, where more than 100 women have learned how to weave the most beautiful rugs, table mats, laptop bags, handbags, and have finally found a way to earn their livelihood. It is indeed overwhelming to see these women coming together to their rug center every morning, excited, getting down to their looms to weave something new, to weave a dream for their families.
बहुत खुशी है, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिल रही है सारी औरतों के साथ काम करके. घर भूल गई एकदम से ये कि मेरे को घर जाना है क्या. आगे में बहुत अच्छा होगा, सेंटर ग्रुप चलेगा, कुछ हम करें कुछ आप करें, कुछ अच्छा चलेगा.
Shruti Foundation has dedicated itself to create a microcosm of excellence at the grassroots of Rajasthan and make it an example for many such regions so that we can all grow and raise India to a great level straight from the grassroots. We need many, many collaborators in our effort. Will you walk with us? on this great journey.
Hello,